To build a SharePoint homepage, follow these steps. Open SharePoint. Log into your Microsoft 365 account and go to SharePoint. Select the site where you want to build a homepage. Create or edit a page. On the site, click Site Contents from the left-hand navigation or Pages if available. To create a new page, click plus New and select Page. If editing an existing page, find it in the list and click Edit. Choose a layout. Select a layout for your page. SharePoint offers various templates like blank, visual, or basic text. Choose one that fits your needs. Add web parts. Click the plus button to add web parts to your page. You can include elements such as text, images, documents, news, and more. Drag and drop web parts to arrange them on the page. Customize each web part by selecting it and adjusting settings in the right panel. Design and format. Use the editing toolbar to format text, adjust images, and set up sections. You can also configure themes and colors to align with your branding. Preview and publish. Click preview to see how the page looks. Make any necessary adjustments. Once satisfied, click publish to make the homepage live.